8. Deep in the heart of a mysterious forest, a playful family of cats sets off on an unforgettable adventure. Everything seems peaceful. Until suddenly, from behind the trees, a sly fox appears. But he's not just passing by. He's hungry. And he's spotted the kittens. Will the mother cat protect her babies in time? Or will this journey take a terrifying turn? Stay tuned to witness a wild twist in this feline adventure.